I hit this issue today and here is the quick fix that solved it. If you're looking to transfer money from Wise to PayPal, follow these simple steps. Step 1. Log into your Wise account. Start by accessing your Wise account through the Apple website. Ensure you have the funds available that you want to transfer. Step 2. Select Send Money. Once logged in, navigate to the Send Money option. This is where you will initiate the transfer to your PayPal account. Step 3. Choose the currency and amount. Select the currency you want to send and enter the amount. Make sure you double check the exchange rates if you're converting currencies. Step 4. Enter your PayPal details. Input your PayPal email address as the recipient. Be careful to enter it correctly, as any mistakes can lead to lost funds. Step 5. Confirm and send. Review all the information you've entered, then confirm the transfer. You should receive a notification once the money is sent. Remember, it may take some time for the funds to appear in your PayPal account, so don't panic if it doesn't show up immediately. Happy transferring!